In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your Wi-Fi password using PowerShell script. But mind you, this is only going to show you the wireless network your device, your laptop or desktop is connected to. You will not be able to see other users, other network password that are actually in your environment. So right now we need to enter the following. We need to enter the net shell command, which is the wireless LAN show profile, and then it's going to show me the profile I'm connected to. You can see it says user profile, so I'm connected to this wireless network. Then we need to actually enter the following command again, which is this command. You can see it says this is the network shell wireless LAN show profile, and the name you need to enter the name that was displayed, and then key is going to be clear. Then when I run this particular command, here you can see it's going to show me all. It says this is the authentication cipher, and it's going to show me some number of SSIDs is one, and the Proximus holder has the SSID name. And then here you can see the key contents, and here is the password of my Wi-Fi connection. Like I said before, you will only be able to see the Wi-Fi password of the device you are connected to and not other devices.